Hello children, welcome to Akshara IIT Foundation. This is Srinivas, your maths faculty. Let us go to the today's class. So previously we have discussed about the business mathematics, right? Ratio, proportion, we discussed it now. Yeah, let us continue the problems based on the ratio and proportion. So exercise problems, we are in exercise problems. Let us see exercise 1. Okay. First question, that is A and B together have 1200, that means 1210 rupees. A and B together. A is a person, let us think. Both are having the money with them is 1210 rupees. It seems if 4 by 15th of A's amount, 4 by 15th of A, 4 by 15th of A amount is equals to 2 by 15th or 2 by 5 of B's amount. 2 by 5 of B's amount. Both are equal. Then how much amount does B have? How much amount B is having? So from this given condition I am writing half means multiplication, right? So 4 into A, 4A by 15 equals to 2 into B, 2B by 5. Try to multiply, cross multiplication, apply the cross multiplication. 4 into 5, 20A equals to 15 into 2, 30, 30B. Bring all the variables one side, numericals one side. Here B is multiplying this side, when you transpose it is divided. Right side already 30 will be there. So 20 transpose that side, divides. Both are cancelled in 10 table 3 times, 2 times. So simply A is to B is equals to 3 is to 2. Okay now? Both of them together having money 1210. Together means addition we should do. So 3 and 2. Here 3 parts, 2 parts, total 5 parts. So let us take x. 3x plus 2x equals to 1210. We need to find the B value, no, directly we can find here. Total 5. Here A having 3. B having 2, total 5. But we need to find 5 parts value is 1210. But we need to find B value now. B value how many parts here? 2 parts. That means 2 parts out of 5. B value equals to 2 parts out of 5 into 1210. Total money. That is equals to 2 into 5 table. 5 2s are 10. 5 4s 20. Again 5 2s 10, simply 484 rupees. 484 rupees is B share and remaining money is A's share. A's share. Let us try to the next problem. Okay now. The second question is given that the sum of money is to be distributed among A, B, C, D. 4 members are there this time. The 4 members are A, B, C, D. It seems 4 members are there. Okay. In the proportion of 5 is to 2. 5 is to 2 is S or is to 4 is to 3. Okay. If C gets 1000 rupees more than D, C gets 1000 rupees more than D. C gets 1000 rupees more than D. Then what is the share of B? We need to find the share of B. Okay now? Now A is nothing but 5 parts. B is nothing but 2 parts. C becomes 4. D becomes 3. But here one hint is given. C is getting 1000 rupees more than D. For example, C 4 parts, D value 3 parts. Only 1 part is more when compared to C and D. C and D 4 is to 3. 4 is to 3 means only 1 value more than C is having 1 value more than D. That 1 value is extra, that is 1000 rupees. 1 value is extra is 1000 rupees, because from this we can write plus C transpose this set C minus D value 1000 rupees. That means difference between C and D is 1000 rupees. That means 1 part difference, 1 part value 1000. Okay now? Now B is how many parts is having? 2 parts. Now B's share equals to, or B's money equals to 2 parts no, so 2 into 1000. 1 part value 1000 rupees, then 2 parts value will be 2000 rupees. Clear? Let us go to the third question. Let us go to the third question. The third question is given, seats for mathematics, physics and biology. I am just using the letters maths, physics, biology, MPB. Okay, na? In a school are in the ratio 5:7:8. 5, 7, 8 respectively. Nothing but maths 5 parts, 5 seats, physics 7, B 8. Ratio in the ratio. Okay, there is a proposal to increase the seats by 40%, 50%, 75% respectively. Then what will be the ratio of increased seats? We need to increase 40% seats. In mathematics, 40% we should increase. And physics we should increase how many percent? 50%. And biology 75% seats we have to increase. What will be that? So let us consider this one. Let us consider this one as 5, 700. The given seats 100% we are considering in every part. If 140% increases, how it will be? Okay, na? The increased seat, total seats now 5x, 7x, 8x. 5x, 7x, 8x. So if it is increasing 100% to 140% extra, means 40% extra, for mathematics it will be, for this means, for mathematics it will be 140%. 140% of 5% or 5 seats. This one 150% of 7 seats. Third one 175% of 8 seats. Okay, do you understand this until then how I written? So I am just considering the allotted seats are 100% for each one. 140% increase means it will be 140. 50 increases means will be 150. 75 increases means will be 175 degrees. Okay, let us see. Let us see here. So 140% of 5. Try to simplify. 140 means 140% means 140 by 100 into 5. First one. Second one is 150 by 100 into 7. And the third one is 175 by 100 into 8. Okay, na? So I am just trying to cancel it here values. Your 0, 0 cancel. 5 table in 10 2 times, 2 table 7 times. So 70 seats. Total is 7 will be. 5 to 7 will be increases. Now this one here 2 zeros cancel. Both are cancelled in 3 table. So 3 times 5 table 3 times 2 times 21 by 2 nothing but 10.5, 10 and half. It will be 10 and half. Next this one. Yeah, we can cancel in 25 table here 25 fours. 25 table 4 times, 25 table 7 times. 7 25s are 125, 4 25s are 100. 4 table in 8 2 times, here 14 will be. 7, 10.5, 14. We are not getting here. Decimals are getting now. I am just trying to multiply each and every time with 10. Multiply with 10, all of them. Then it will be 70. This will be 105. And it will be 140. Now divided by 5 because 5 table can be cancelled in every one. So divided by 5 for getting the ratio in simplest form. Yeah, 5 table here exactly 14 times. Correct? Yeah. This one 21 times. This one is 5 ones are 5 to 10, 28. So the ratio of them is 14, 21, 28. Or all of them can be cancelled in 7 table clearly. We can say that 7 2s are 7 3s, 7 4. So 2:3:4 is our required answer after increasing that. Yeah, 2:3:4. Check. It It is feeling like a little bit confusion, but okay, you can understand. Check. So the fourth problem is, so in a mixture of 60 liters, the ratio of the milk and water is given is 2:1 and the ratio is to be given is 1:2. Yeah, this one we'll do discuss, this problem we'll discuss when we discussed about the mixtures topic. Okay, na? Then we'll discuss clearly this type of problems together. Let us go to the question number 5. Okay, so that is A by 3. A by 3 value is equals to B by 4 value, that is equals to C by 5. Okay, na? Now then we need to find A is to B is to C all together. Now I am just considering these are all equals to some K. These are all equals to some K or X unknown value. Now first one and last one I am going to equate. A by 3 is equals to K. Second one equals to K. B by 4 equals to K. And third one C by 5 equals to K. So from this we can write A value. Here 3 is dividing now, when you transpose multiply. A value 3K. Same way B value is 4K and C value is 5K. Now all are getting in whole numbers. Now write A is to B is to C. A value 3K is to 4K is to 5K. All of them having K is a common term. Cancel everything. You will get 3 is to 4 is to 5. Okay, 3 is to 4 is to 5. Clear? Let us go to the problem number 6. The sixth problem is given that the fourth proportion of 5, 8, 15. Fourth proportion is nothing but A is to B equals to C is to D. D is called fourth proportion. A is to B equals to C is to D, where D is called fourth proportion. So A, B, C are first three terms. A value 5, B value 8, C value 15. We need to find D value. So we discussed as our in earlier classes, that is 5 is to 8 I can write as 5 by 8 and 15 is to D I can write as 15 by D. Do cross multiplication both of them. 5 into D is equal to 8 into 15. Now D value will be 8 into 15 by 5. D value will be 8 into 15 by 5. 5 table in 15 3 times. 8 3 is 24. So D value is 24. Okay now. Please follow the question. I think same problem is given in exercise, I think so. No. Okay, eighth problem. Sorry, seventh problem. Yeah, this is only the seventh problem. I missed the sixth one in between. So let us discuss about the sixth problem. Okay now? So sixth problem is A is to B equals to 8 is to 15. A is to B value is 8 is to 15. And also given B is to C, 5 is to B is to C is equals to 5 is to 8. Then try to find A is to B is to C. Two ratios are given separately, but asking A is to B is to C together. Now let us see how to do this one. Okay now? Now I am writing directly A is to B is to C. A is to B value 8 is to 15. So 8 is to 15. And B is to C value 5 is to 8. B is to C value 5 is to 8. Now just which is the number having two values together? B value. This one only having both of the values. Now multiply both of them. 15 5s. 15 5s are 75. Okay now? But here only one value is missing now. Do multiply like this. 15 into 8. 15 8s are how much? So 8 10s are 80, 8 5s 40. So 80 plus 40, 120. Okay now? Now this one is missing now. You do multiply like this. 8 5s 40. 8 5s are 40. Okay now? Now all of them having a common number is 5 table, right? Yeah, 5 table here 8 times. 5 table here 15 times, 5 table here, yeah, more than 15 here, yeah. 5 table, 5 twos, 24 times. So 8 is to 15 is to 24 is our required answer. See how I am doing this? First I multiply. For this 8th one, there is no multiplication chance. You cross multiply like this. 8 15s. For 8 also, you are not having to cross multiply like this. 8 5 is 40. So this is our required answer. Check. Now 7th one is completed. Now 8th one. The 8th problem is given that the ratio of two quantities is given 3:4. Two quantities ratio is 3:4 and antecedent is 12, then consequent. Antecedent value, antecedent means first term. Antecedent means first term. First term value is given 12, then what about the second term is asking. When 3 becomes 12, 3 table in 12, 4 times. So we are multiplying 4 times now. This one also you should multiply with 4. 4 4s are 16. 4 4s are 60. Very easy, right? Let us go to the next problem. Ninth question, question number 9, that is given that the ratio between two numbers is 3:4. Ratio between, this is also, ratio between two numbers is 3:4, same like 8th problem only. And it is given that LCM is 180 degrees. Sorry, LCM value 180, then the first number we need to get. LCM means what? Common factor. LCM value is 180. We need to find first number. Okay, na? So 3, 4 LCM how much? Actually 3 and 4 LCM is 12. Actual LCM of 3 and 4 is 12. That means 12 becomes 180. That means 12 table 180 how many times? 15 times. This is actual LCM of 3 and 4 is 12. But here not that 12. In the place of 12, 180 given. That means 12 table how many times it is? 12 15s are 180. Okay, na? That means each term is multiplied by 15. So what is the first number is asking? So first number is 3, second number is 4. So whenever we getting that first number and second number answers with the difference, means 12 table how many times 180? 15 times. That 15 we should multiply. So 3 15s are 45, 4 15s are 60. If they are asking the first term, we should do like this. Second term is like this. So answer is 45. Okay, na? So last question, 10th question for today's class. Let us discuss the 10th problem. The analyze. So this is also mixed, right? But here not purely mixing question. Ratio will be there. But that an alloy is containing the copper and zinc. Copper and zinc. Both of them are in the ratio. Copper and zinc are in the ratio 9:4. That means 9 parts copper, 4 parts zinc, or 9 grams copper means 4 grams zinc you should take. Okay, the zinc required to be melted with 24 kgs of copper is. That means if copper is taking 24 kgs, the zinc required to be melted, how much zinc has to be melted with 24 kgs of copper? So among them 24 kgs of copper is there, how many kgs of zinc will be there? Copper will be 24 means zinc how much? But actually 9 table 24 we won't get. Okay, 9 table 24 won't get. That means we can write like this. 9 becomes 24 means 4 becomes how much? Okay, na? What we need? 4 parts. That means 4 out of 9 into 24. It will get in decimal values or mixed fractions. Both are cancelled. 3 table. 3 3s are 9. 3 8s are 24. That is equals to 4 into 8. 4 8s are 32 by 3. Do division with 3 table. 3 10s are 30. 2 remainder. That means 10. 2 by 3 mixed fraction. This is our answer. Okay, na? So that's it for today, children. Thank you one and all. Have a nice day and bye bye.